While neobanks are fighting regulations and trying to keep BNPL afloat, some of these banks are eyeing an interesting pivot, that is, entering the travel tech market. Is travel tech the new destination for neobanks? I think it's very much possible. They have experience building customer centric tech platforms, they have cracked UX, and they have a customer base with a healthy ability to pay. To most, a shift from a bank to a customer facing travel platform might look too adventurous, but it might work in favor of neobanks for three major reasons. First, they can offer integrated forex services within their travel platform, which is a big miss in the existing market. Second, most neobanks entered the market to provide a customer experience that traditional banks lack, so they will always have that upside. And finally, the BNPL model may be facing regulatory challenges, but it can still be utilized effectively within the travel tech industry. Neobanks can easily integrate their BNPL services into their travel platform. What do you think about this shift?